A virtual hearing is expected to be held this afternoon for Charlie Kirk's suspected assassin, Tyler Robinson, as a judge considers how much media access will be granted during the trial. This comes as attorneys for both the media and defense went head-to-head on this issue earlier this month.
We don't want the chaos that is out in the media in this courtroom. So whatever this court can do to prevent that is what we're asking.
We don't have any interest in weighing in on aspects of the case that don't have anything to do with the public's right to know. And so I didn't really hear an argument against what it is that we are asking to do.
Joining me now to break this down is criminal defense attorney David Gelman. David, thank you so much for your time. So Erica Kirk has said that we deserve to have cameras in the courtroom in the interest of full transparency, but Robinson's lawyers are concerned that it could compromise his ability to get a fair trial. Is that something that is a fair concern, would you say?
I think it is. Look, this judge here, he's going to have a real difficult decision to make. On one side, you have Erica Kirk, the victim of Charlie Kirk, saying, hey, we want to have cameras here. We want to have this publicized. And that's very interesting because usually the victims in certain cases like these do not want to have these publicized. So that's very interesting. Now, the defense, I understand where they're coming from as well, because the more this comes out in the media, the more publicity it gets, obviously, and then individuals are going to know. That's going to definitely muddy the waters when it comes to a jury pool, because you're going to have to figure out who is going to be on this jury and who's not. And everybody in the world already knows about this case, it seems like. So it's going to be a very interesting dilemma that this judge has. I think he's going to have to split the baby, though, somehow, some way.
Yeah, certainly a lot of people around the country are going to hope that there are cameras in the courtroom because there's obviously a lot of interest in that. Meanwhile, Texas authorities are frantically searching for a missing 19-year-old named Camila Mendoza Olmos after she mysteriously vanished on the morning of Christmas Eve. Now, I want to show you the local sheriff's office, the statement that they put out. It reads in part, quote, Camila was last seen leaving her residence at approximately 6:58 a.m. on Wednesday, December 24th, 2025. Video footage from that time shows an unknown individual believed to be Camila searching inside her vehicle for an unidentified item. Moments later, the footage ends. It is believed that she left the residence on foot as her vehicle remained at the location. What are your initial thoughts as we assess the limited information that we have here?
This is very sad. That's my initial thought. So, Nate, you got to think about it. This is an area, all right, there's cul-de-sacs. It's a very residential area outside of San Antonio. So all these people have Ring cameras, you would think, or different cameras all around the area, and they can all see what's going on. So if she's walking and she's going towards an area and she doesn't get to that area because of a car or something like that, you can figure out, look, something bad happened. Now, what happened? Obviously, we do not know. But I would suspect that the sheriff's office, and I know the FBI is also involved, they have leads going on right now because all the technology that we have in this country and in San Antonio, that area, is helping them right now. So they probably have a very good idea, at least who took her or where she went to that particular scene. But who is involved with it, that is going to be definitely the interesting part of it, and we don't know yet.
Yeah, her mom said that she always took morning walks, and after 90 minutes, she called her, but her phone was off and left inside her room. So many questions left in that case. Hopefully they can come to a conclusion and find her. It's been about half a week since she went missing. So, David, thank you so much for your time. We appreciate it.
I'm Steve Ducey.
I'm Brian Kilmeade.
And I'm Ainsley Earhart. And click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis.